Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into determiners. If you're learning English at AB1 level, you're in the right place. Determiners are words that come before nouns to clarify what we're talking about. They help us specify which noun, how much, or how many, and include words like a and the this, that, some, and many. Determiners make sentences clearer and add detail, helping us avoid misunderstandings in English. Let's explore a few examples. If I say, I need a pen, the determiner tells us I need any pen, not a specific one. In Can you pass the salt? The determiner shows I'm talking about a specific item that both of us know. If I say, some people enjoy hiking, some gives us an idea of how many people. Or, in This book is interesting, this points to a particular book close to me. Each determiner provides a little more information about the noun it's describing. In daily life, determiners help us be precise. You might hear things like, I bought some apples, that movie was amazing, or she only has a minute to talk. Determiners give us context and help make our conversations clearer by specifying details. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your feedback helps other English learners find our show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.